So we've added dusk. We never pushed it to the internet. So dusk added. That's all it needs as text. We know what it does. We do check, double check our typos. So we've added the word dusk. We've added a title. Here is something I should check out. Qtile. There's something missing. I think it's switched. I don't know which is a good one. And then duskgit is there. We tell them to install dusk. No, that's not telling. That's a desktop environment. Here is dusk, and we go and install everything but dusk, xterm, lightm, and so on. I'm missing something. Where is the fact that I am going to install dusk? Here. Close it again. No, not you. Go away. Super F2. In here. ALIS packages. No. ALIS conf. Thank you. In here. At the bottom. Here he is. So that line, desktop environment, that's the one that's going to install my system. And it's still set to open box. So we forgot that one. And you see how interesting it is to double check everything. Dusk. Because it's looking for the desktop dusk, not the package duskgit, whatever the package is called, right? That we take care of later. But it's dusk. That's how we named the desktop, and there are no exclamation marks missing. So that's that. And then we put it online. Almost missed that one. Write your commits, comments, dusk as choice. And now I can go and have fun. I can choose Super F7, VirtualBox is there. I have a thing to play with. There's an ISO this morning that I've built, so I boot up with that ISO. Pure ArcoLinux logo, pure ArcoLinux system on BIOS. And then I need to set my keys, and you know the drill if you've been seeing some videos. It's again and again and again the same. You do everything locally, you push to your GitHub, then you say, in my case anyway, go get me Azerty and go inside ALIS dev. So in the dev, that's what I've changed. Yes, please. He's getting all the new code in. The new code says, go fetch me dusk. And we wait. Okay. I wonder what terminal. I think it's number 2. Yeah, that's true. So guys, I wonder what terminal he's using. We want at least to give a terminal in every environment, right? That you don't have to go to TTY and not stuck there. So I'll do a control find term and we'll see. People call it term, terminal. So terminate. GNOME terminal, class xterm. He's going to use st. And we could add the menu as well. So that's 2 packages I'll add to the list. The question is Control T sudo pacman -sst. Oops. Sudo pacman -sst. Voila, that's the problem always, right? That's the problem always. But D menu, that's no problem. We can give you that when you boot up. No. All right, ST. Yay. ST, we're gonna get lots and lots of hits. 200, too much, he says. Let's take a lucky guess. Whoa, we're already installing. Stop. That's probably it, right? That exists too. Whoa, stop as well. And I have to go to the other screen. We are rebooting again. Already finished. So while we were looking, it's installed. And there you have it. Wow, yes, great. We have got dusk. Right? Now, problem is super enter and super shift enter and Control Alt T and super enter, or right? There is nothing available. There's nothing here. Control Alt F2. Sorry. I know what happened on your end. I switched, of course, to the TTY of the real metal thing as a reflex. No. Right control in VirtualBox F3 to go to TTY. And then, let me see, I'm still recording. I wonder what he does then. Anyway, he's still recording, it seems. I need to do a yay. Let's take ST, right? Let's build that one as well. And D menu. Those two. Password, yeah. And sudo pacman -s D menu. And then we go back. Control F7 it is, right? Yeah, Control F7. And then was it super enter? Yes, it's super enter. And then we do our stuff. Sudo pacman -s. Screen fetch, no, neofetch. There's also LC. Sudo pacman -s. LC. Yay, LC then. Still not in there. Yeah, okay. I was wondering if it was actually correct in the name. So LC is this, neofetch is this, and both tell you that we're on VirtualBox. Different information about the boot, about the root information at the top. And here we see CPU, GPU stuff, memory stuff. Yep, a bit different. Voila, Dusk can be installed with ALIS. ST needs to be built. D menu needs to be installed. Let's properly end by showing you what needs to be done. So, bye. We go to buy and buy, and we go to the data of AA, ALIS dev. So the packages, well, Alt, Super F2, Super F2. Let's go back in here, Control find, Dusk. So 1 of 1, we're in alis.conf. Now we go to alis.sh. Here is Dusk. Problem, D menu is no problem. That's sudo pacman -s, we've seen that, so that's the pacman install. That's okay. Save. And the other guy, yeah, the other guy needs to be built. So dusgit, we also need to have st. stgit we didn't do, st we did. Anyway, small difference. Save. So if we install, we got the super P as the D menu, and we have the super enter, and we've got our st terminal. So we have something, right? We boot up into something still very, very Virgin-like, but go and dive in the code and you'll see it's nothing like anything Virgin-like. DWM, start with that and you'll see that's, wow, build everything up again, right? But Dusk is ready to use, really, but it's not for the faint of heart. It's not for the beginner in Linux. It's for the guy that already has tasted DWM and then falls in love again with Dusk. That's how it should be chronologically. All right, enjoy.